Hey, top of the morning to ya. Today, I'm going to be making some Irish fried cabbage. Happens to be St. Patrick's Day, so great day to make some fried cabbage. Let's give this a go. So I've been cooking some corned beef in the slow cooker for the last 8 hours, and I thought, you know what would go good with this? Some fried cabbage, so that's what we're going to make. The star of the show here is the head of cabbage. I have some bacon, onion, black pepper, and a little bit of Jameson. Let's start cooking. Time to crisp up some bacon here. A nice hot pan. What we're doing is rendering some of the grease out of this bacon here. We'll be using that grease to fry up our cabbage. Okay, that's looking about done. Let's pull the bacon out of there so that we can fry up our cabbage. Okay, let's chop up some onion here. That's plenty. Time to chop up some cabbage now. That's probably a good amount there. I'm going to cut it in slices. Okay, let's start cooking this. We have the bacon grease in the bottom of the pan. It's very hot. To add the onion. Give that a few seconds to soften up a bit. Let's go ahead and add the cabbage. Stir it up a bit and get a little bit of that bacon goodness on all this cabbage. We're going to continue cooking this until the cabbage wilts down quite a bit and starts getting a nice little color to it from the bacon grease and from the high heat we're cooking this under. Now's a good time to add just a little bit of Jameson whiskey. Okay, that's looking really good. Let's add a bit of salt and pepper to this. Not too much. That bacon's going to have a bit of salt in there. So get some fresh cracked pepper. Stir that in. Now to finish it off, let's add those bacon bits back in. This is looking good. And it's smelling amazing. Okay, time to give this a try. Gonna get some cabbage with a little piece of bacon on there. That looks like about the perfect bite. This is the best I've ever made. This is good. Happy St. Patrick's Day.